Humanity barely survived 72 hours without electricity. Then the sky exploded. And now the power is never coming back. A giant solar storm hits Earth directly. Massive electromagnetic energy slams into the planet instantly. And this is not science fiction. It already happened once before. The Carrington event. 1859. The strongest solar storm in recorded history. But back then, human civilization barely used electricity. Today changes everything. Because modern Earth is completely connected electronically. And now every system becomes vulnerable simultaneously. Minute 1. Satellites fail instantly. Communication across the planet collapses immediately. GPS disappears. Navigation systems shut down. And now airplanes lose critical positioning systems. Pilots panic midair. But that is not the worst part. Power grids overload violently. Transformers explode across continents. Massive electrical surges destroy infrastructure permanently. And now humanity realizes something horrifying. This is not a blackout anymore. The grid itself is dead. And replacing those transformers takes years, not days.
Years. And most countries do not have backups ready. Minute 10. Internet infrastructure collapses globally. Entire digital systems disappear permanently. Banking records inaccessible. Cloud storage unreachable. Humanity loses information instantly. And now panic spreads faster than ever before. Because people understand something terrifying. There is no quick recovery. Hour 1. Military systems struggle worldwide. Radar weakens. Communications fragment. Governments lose coordination immediately. And now uncertainty becomes global. No one knows the full damage. No one knows what still functions. And fear fills the silence quickly. Hospitals begin catastrophic failure. Not temporary. Permanent. Medical equipment burns out completely. Backup systems overloaded beyond repair. And now modern medicine begins collapsing. Ventilators fail. Monitoring systems disappear. Critical surgeries stop instantly. And millions become vulnerable overnight. Hour 6. Food supply systems freeze completely. Warehouses cannot function. Transportation coordination disappears. Fuel systems fail. And now cities become trapped. Because modern food delivery depends entirely on technology. 3 days without food delivery changes everything. And humanity already used emergency supplies during the blackout. Now there is nothing left. Hour 12. The night sky changes. Massive auroras cover the planet unnaturally. Beautiful. Terrifying. Because those lights mean the atmosphere itself is under attack. Radiation levels increase in vulnerable regions. Satellites remain destroyed. Power remains dead. And now civilization begins separating into 2 groups. Prepared and unprepared.
And most people are unprepared. Hour 24. Water systems collapse permanently in major regions. Treatment facilities destroyed electrically. Clean water disappears rapidly. And now disease becomes unavoidable. Sanitation systems fail. Waste accumulates. Humanity begins regressing immediately. Not technologically. Socially. Trust weakens. Fear increases. Communities fracture. Hour 48. Global trade completely stops. Modern economies no longer exist. Because digital systems no longer exist. Money becomes meaningless quickly. Food matters now. Water matters now. Safety matters now. And people change fast when survival becomes uncertain. Hour 72. Entire cities become dangerous. Emergency services nearly gone. Communication impossible. Supplies exhausted. And now violence spreads faster. Because desperation always grows in darkness. But the terrifying part is still coming. Because this storm damaged more than technology. It damaged Earth's protective systems too. Year 1. Civilization looks completely different. Small communities replace massive connected cities. Agriculture becomes survival again. Humanity loses decades of technological advancement instantly. Maybe centuries. And now scientists confirm something horrifying. The atmosphere absorbed massive radiation damage during the storm. Earth's protective shield weakened significantly. And now the planet becomes vulnerable. Again. Because the next disaster does not destroy electricity.
It destroys something far worse. The atmosphere itself. And once that begins disappearing, humanity starts running out of time. Permanently.